Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to check a gift card balance on Amazon. Here's how you check your gift card balance on Amazon web app. The first thing to do is to open your browser and visit amazon.com. Once you do that, sign into your account if you are not already logged in. And that's going to take you into this homepage. So from this homepage, hover over account and list in the top right corner of the page. Now in here, you have a couple of options from the drop down: account, others, keep shipping for, recommendation, browsing history, recalls, and product safety, all the way down to sign out. Now I'd like you to click on account, and that's going to open you up to the accounts page. So in your accounts page, you have a couple of options in here too. You have your orders, login and security, Prime, your addresses, your business accounts, gift cards, your payments, your Amazon family, and your messages. Now, I'd like you to click on gift cards. On the gift cards page, your current gift card balance will be displayed at the top of the screen, and I'll say $0, unfortunately. Okay, now you can also view any gift cards that have been redeemed and their respective balances. So if you want to see, details about recent transactions or how your balance has changed, you can check the view. You see the view activity, view gift card balance and activity right here in the section. You can just go ahead and click on that for more information. So you see, once you click on that, which we're in here, you see your date, description, amount, and closing balance for your gift card, aside from the balance that is going to be here. Now you can click on reload your balance or redeem a gift card if you want to top up your balance and if you're tired of seeing the $0 on top. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.